What if the dominance of the US dollar was challenged by a group of emerging economies? This is not a hypothetical scenario, but a reality that is unfolding in the global economic landscape. The Brics Group, an acronym for its 5 member countries, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, was established in 2006 with a shared vision of mutual development and cooperation. Together, these countries represent a formidable force in international finance and geopolitics. The economic clout of Brics is immense, with the combined GDP of its members surpassing that of the United States. As these economies expand, they are increasingly conducting transactions amongst themselves in their own currencies, reducing their reliance on the US dollar. This trend is evident in the establishment of bilateral currency swap agreements between Brics members, which facilitate trade and investment without the need for dollar intermediation. Beyond their borders, Brics countries have been vocal advocates for reforming the international monetary system to reduce dependence on the US dollar. They have called for greater representation of emerging economies in institutions like the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. By championing a more multipolar financial order, Brics aims to create alternatives to the dollar-dominated status quo, thereby challenging its supremacy. In addition to advocacy, Brics has also taken concrete steps to establish alternative institutions that operate outside the sphere of US dollar dominance. Initiatives such as the New Development Bank and the Contingent Reserve Arrangement offer platforms for Brics countries to fund infrastructure and sustainable development projects without relying on traditional Western-led financial institutions. These initiatives chip away at the dollar's centrality in global finance and investment. Despite these efforts, the US dollar remains the preeminent global reserve currency. Factors such as the depth and liquidity of US financial markets, as well as the widespread use of the dollar in international trade and finance, underpin its dominance. Moreover, geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainties within Brics countries can undermine confidence in alternative currencies and reinforce the dollar's safe haven status. In conclusion, while Brics initiatives and developments have indeed challenged the dominance of the US dollar in the global economy, the greenback's position as the primary reserve currency remains largely unassailable. However, as Brics economies continue to grow and assert themselves on the world stage, their efforts to diversify away from dollar dependence will undoubtedly shape the future of international finance and contribute to a more multipolar monetary system.